From the main menu, select Program Sensor. Then select Sensor Selection. Then select the sensor you are working with. Select the vehicle's make, model, and year. For this example, we'll be using a Chevrolet Trax 2017. Scroll over to Copy ID. Now, we must copy the sensor ID from the vehicle. Choose the sensor you wish to copy and press the trigger button. Once the sensor ID has been copied, press OK. Then, place the sensor above the tool's antenna and press the trigger button. The new sensor has been successfully programmed.